Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing OYO Hotel Chehalis I-5 South. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. OYO Hotel Chehalis I-5 South, conveniently located off Interstate 5 at exit 76. The pet-friendly OYO Hotel Chehalis I-5 South in Chehalis, WAR offers easy access to a variety of attractions, including VF Factory outlet stores and Lucky Eagle Casino. Enjoy amenities like free wireless high-speed internet access and guest laundry at OYO Hotel Chehalis I-5 South. All guest rooms offer a coffee maker and desk. Both Mount St. Helens and Mount Rainier are a short drive from this Chehalis, Washington hotel. Also you may find Chehalis Industrial Park and Southwest Washington Fairgrounds. Front desk remains open till 10:30 p.m. every day to assist guests. Nearby businesses include National Frozen Foods, Hardel Plywood and Pacificorp Power. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.